It was amazing to see someone as articulate as David Attenborough really talk through the major issues we have around understanding what's happening in the world's ocean. We've really got to get to the stage where we turn this idea that there are some really tangible problems in the ocean into some effective change. And it's really important that people like us, scientists, can engage with people, the citizens of the world, to really find the route forwards to solving some of these problems, because we can solve the problems, but you need scientists to really work together with the wider society to really understand how we want our future ocean to be and make sure we end up in that place. And I think this film really strongly articulates that the ocean is not some abstract, distant thing. It's a thing that really is important to people. Everyone here now relies on the ocean in some way, either indirectly or directly, for their lives. So there's a really important societal imperative for us to understand the ocean. But the second piece is really, I'm stood in front of my boat face here now. We have some really transformative technologies and transformative understanding of the data and the science itself that really allows us to take this to the next stage. So we can really use where we are now as a platform for taking forwards ocean science to serve society. I think it is a time though. Yeah, there's an awful lot of strong messages coming out about how bad the state of the ocean is, how bad the position of the society is in addressing those challenges. But actually, if you look at where we've come from, we're really moving quite quickly. And I think if we grasp this opportunity now, we can solve these problems. I'm an eternal optimist, and I think we can really do it.